always, I think, good to have less time because I'm given the shortest time to prepare the paper, so now I can escape. And this is probably a very empirical work, and this is the beginning, and this is something very new area for a beginner like me who's just my specialization is art and now sanitation, which is a very different area. But I would like to just focus the challenges to the total sanitation camp in Northeast India, particularly in Tripura. So basically the discrepancy between the implementation of TSC and the review, when the review was done for the TSC, what happened and what should be done. So basically Tripura is a state, what the government report is saying, it has got 100% sanitation. And the drinking department saying it has a very average, when they did the monitoring for sustainable sanitation, it is saying it has got the average achievement. But very interestingly, the state government has given the assessment work to a private public relation group called East Wine Communication, and that report, based on that report, my paper is written. And largely, when it is 100%, because it's small, it is the second smallest state of India, and the literacy rate is very high. It is 88% literacy rate, and 10,000 some square kilometer area. And so naturally, the government is sitting and thinking that it is 100% achievement. But when this private group is reviewing, taking the tender from the government, and the report is extremely opposite. So largely, this baseline survey of this East Wine Communication Group is reporting that the largely problem that when it is saying that 80% schools are given toilets, it is actually 10% to 20%. No Anganwadi centers have toilets. Similarly, you have no facilities. It is saying that this individual household latrines are 75% achievement, whereas it cannot say that it is 10% achievement. So there is a lot of discrepancy between the report's assessment and the sanitation implementation. So this is what there is a lack of, you say, the public policy, the poor public policies which are being implemented in Northeast India. And largely the problem, when you go to the field, you would see that the large problem is water. We've been talking about water, and Northeast India is not particularly West Tripura district. It's a major problem where you don't have drinking water at all. People stay, the tribals largely staying on the highland, and they don't have a facility for drinking water, so they cannot even imagine that they can use the same water for toilets, etc. So this is a major problem. And then secondly, there is no even awareness of rainwater harvesting. It's just individuals who are taking this one family in 3 blocks. This one man was done, taking a pipe from a steel roof and doing the harvesting. And apart from that, it is individual consciousness who are doing it. Otherwise, absolutely no awareness. And another major problem is poor infrastructure. Okay, government is supplying the slabs, etc. But how to supply it? There is no road communication, etc. So these are the major problems where you have this total failure of total sanitation campaigns in rural and tribal villages. And so, making it a last 1 minute, to conclude that it is evident that proper sanitation facilities that leads to have healthy life of human beings is qualitatively absent in one of the backward regions of northeast states of India. So this can be, this is not a very different story from other parts of India, but just to adding on that this is not a very good picture that you would get anywhere in Tripura. So, it is just, you add this report may be useful to add on to the National Human Development Report. So therefore, I feel some immediate action needs to be taken, whether it is government or it is non-government. There has to be, a private-public collaboration. But now I feel like this public relation group, which is a private group which has taken up this assessment, thinking that, okay, there's high literacy, there's low population, so they're very easy to, implement the plans, policies, but who will do it? I mean, there are a lot of NGOs, but they are not even aware. There is no knowledge, or knowledge of sanitation. So who is going to actually do it? I mean, the syllabus for school children is not developed. I mean, forget about colleges and universities. So this is what I would now probably suggest the private partnership. Like Sulabh International can play a major role in probably giving the projects to the private groups rather than the government then giving it to the private. So this is what my conclusion is. Thank you.
Your paper is very good. Just by information, we have short presentation. You will have your full paper with your photograph. To publish a good book is to each and every participant so that they can know your views fully. So you should be afraid of that. Secondly, this is very important. And therefore, I am telling you, in sociology, is sanitation as subject. You can supplement knowledge, information to the people, students, NGOs, and so on and so forth. Thirdly, the water requirement is only 1 liter plus. That technology is there. And the most important thing is that what we say, much of in the campus, we two things. One, you can do in the factory. Other, you can recast on site itself. Required that we should have full information. But all these projects, and then, therefore I requested all of you to come here. You can implement. You can be legal. With NGOs, they have no information, and in private conversation I told, there is vision, mission, commitment, capability, efficiency. 5 factors are required. The normal NGO, they don't have these 5 things. But if you teach your student, that the student will have. And therefore, you can implement the knowledge.
Yeah, emphasis on school children
Yes.
would be much more benefited because they will go back and teach the parents. That how
the student of sociology, if he studies for 2 years or 4 years, he will be so conversant with everything, even the reading knowledge also. So that will help. So the paper is very good, and but not afraid of this photo, just time limit.
No, I'm really glad.
You are full. Thank you.
Thank you.